Welcome back to the Deep Dive.
I'm Anna Bugs.
I'm Mark Buzz.
And
Today, we are tackling a question that's probably crossed your mind at least once while you're battling those summertime swarms.
Yeah.
Does vinegar really keep mosquitoes away?
Oh, yeah.
You know, I actually grew up hearing about this vinegar trick.
Uh-huh.
My grandmother swore by it.
Really?
It's one of those classic home remedies.
Yeah.
Passed down through generations.
Mm-hmm.
But is there any science behind it?
Right.
We're diving into some research from Simple Pest Management to separate fact from fiction.
Okay.
We'll also explore some surprisingly effective alternatives you might not have considered.
Cool.
So stick around, because by the end of this deep dive, you'll be armed with all the knowledge you need to win the war against mosquitoes.
All right.
And hey, if you're finding this deep dive helpful, don't forget to hit that follow button and give us a like. It really helps us out. And while you're at it, why not give Simple Pest Management a follow on social media for more great tips and tricks on keeping your home pest-free?
Absolutely.
Okay, let's unpack this.
Yeah.
The big question is, does vinegar actually work to repel mosquitoes?
Well, the theory is that the strong smell of vinegar, particularly white vinegar, is unpleasant to mosquitoes. It's thought to interfere with their sense of smell, making it harder for them to locate their next meal. That's you.
So it's not that they hate the smell like we might wrinkle our noses at a dumpster. It's more that the vinegar throws off their tracking system.
Exactly. It's like trying to follow a scent trail with a clothespin on your nose. It makes it much harder to pinpoint the source.
Right, because mosquitoes are attracted to the carbon dioxide we exhale. That's their primary way of finding us.
Yeah.
So theoretically, a strong smell like vinegar could mask that signal, at least temporarily.
Right.
So you're basically creating a cloud of confusion for the mosquitoes, making it harder for them to zero in on their target.
Precisely. But here's the catch. The evidence supporting vinegar as an effective mosquito repellent is quite limited. A 2018 study published in the Journal of Insect Science found that while vinegar did repel some mosquito species in a lab, setting its effectiveness in real-world conditions was negligible.
Ah, classic lab versus reality dilemma. What works in a controlled environment doesn't always translate to the unpredictable chaos of the backyard barbecue.
Exactly. And that's why relying solely on vinegar for mosquito control is probably not your best bet.
Now, there's also a theory that consuming apple cider vinegar can alter your body chemistry, making you less attractive to mosquitoes.
Yeah, I've heard about that too. Like you become a walking vinegar salad and mosquitoes are like hard pass.
Right. It's a fun idea, but unfortunately, there's no real scientific evidence to support this claim. It's one of those things that sounds plausible, but hasn't stood up to rigorous testing.
Right.
Okay, so we've busted the myth of the magical mosquito-repelling vinegar aura. But let's say, for argument's sake, you want to give the vinegar method a try. What are some DIY tricks you could use?
Well, a popular method is making a homemade mosquito repellent spray by mixing equal parts vinegar and water in a spray bottle.
Sounds simple enough.
You can even add a few drops of essential oils like lavender or citronella to enhance the effectiveness and mask that potent vinegar smell.
Ah, so it's like a DIY aromatherapy session, but for keeping bugs at bay.
Exactly. The idea is to create a combination of scents that mosquitoes find offensive, hopefully sending them in the opposite direction.
And where should you spray this concoction?
You'd want to target areas where mosquitoes tend to congregate, like windows, doorways, and around outdoor seating areas. Essentially, you're trying to create a vinegar-scented barrier.
So you're not necessarily spraying it directly on yourself, but more on the surrounding areas.
Right, because remember, the goal is to disrupt their sense of smell and make it harder for them to find you. Direct application might not be as effective, and let's be honest, who wants to smell like a pickle all day?
Okay, point taken.
Yeah.
So besides the spray, what are some other DIY tricks involving vinegar?
Well, another popular method is the vinegar mosquito trap. It's quite simple. You mix vinegar water and a few drops of dish soap in a bowl. The vinegar attracts the mosquitoes, the soap breaks the surface tension of the water, and the mosquitoes get trapped and drown.
Ah, so it's like a siren song for mosquitoes, but with a soapy demise awaiting them.
Exactly. It's a classic trap and kill strategy, but with vinegar as the bait.
Yeah, I've actually tried this trap before. My kitchen ended up smelling like a pickle factory, and I still got a few bites. Maybe I did something wrong.
Well, it's possible. There are a few things that can affect the effectiveness of these traps. Placement is crucial. You want to position it away from areas where you're spending time so it acts as a decoy.
So lead them away from the buffet, so to speak.
Right. Also, the type of vinegar you use might play a role. Some people swear by apple cider vinegar, while others prefer white vinegar. It might come down to trial and error to see what works best in your environment.
And what about those cloth strips soaked in vinegar that people sometimes hang up? Is that another DIY trick?
Yes, that's another method some people use. The idea is that the strong vinegar scent will deter mosquitoes from entering a particular area.
So you're basically creating vinegar-infused mosquito deterrents. I bet it adds a certain rustic charm to your outdoor decor.
Well, maybe not charming, but it's a simple and natural way to try to discourage mosquitoes. But again, the effectiveness is debatable.
Okay, so we've got our vinegar sprays, our traps, and our decorative and hopefully somewhat effective vinegar strips. But earlier you mentioned that vinegar has its limitations. What are some of the drawbacks?
One major drawback is that vinegar's effects are fleeting. The pungent smell fades quickly, meaning you'll need to reapply frequently to maintain any sort of repelling effect.
So like a short-term ceasefire in the mosquito war? What else?
Another limitation is that vinegar doesn't address the root of the problem, mosquito breeding sites. It has no effect on mosquito larvae that thrive in standing water.
So while we're busy spritzing ourselves with vinegar, those little mosquito babies are happily hatching and plotting their attack.
Precisely. You might be repelling some adult mosquitoes, but you're not doing anything to stop the next generation from emerging.
So it's a bit like trying to hold back a flood with a teaspoon. You might be able to scoop out some water, but the source keeps flowing.
Exactly. And perhaps most importantly, vinegar is simply less effective than proven repellents like DE or lemon eucalyptus oil. These repellents offer a longer-lasting protection and have been scientifically proven to keep mosquitoes at bay.
So while vinegar might be a handy tool in our mosquito-fighting arsenal, it's not the ultimate weapon. It might offer temporary relief, but for more reliable and long-lasting protection, we need to explore other options.
That's right. For those of you looking for solutions that really pack a punch, stay tuned. We'll be diving into some powerful natural alternatives and professional-grade mosquito control strategies in just a bit.
Now, if you're looking for alternatives to vinegar that offer more potent mosquito protection,
Yeah.
there's a whole world of natural options out there.
Right.
Yes, let's explore those. What are some natural repellents that really pack a punch?
One powerhouse you might already have in your kitchen is peppermint oil.
Okay.
Adding a few drops to your homemade bug spray can significantly boost its effectiveness against mosquitoes.
Peppermint oil. I love the smell of peppermint.
Yeah.
But I guess for mosquitoes, it's a different story.
Right. It's refreshing to us, but mosquitoes find that strong menthol scent quite repulsive.
So it's not just masking our scent, it's actively deterring them.
Exactly. The menthol acts as an irritant to their olfactory system, making them want to steer clear.
So we could even add some peppermint oil to our vinegar spray
Uh-huh.
for a double whammy, right?
Absolutely. Combining different repelling agents can create a more complex scent profile
Okay.
that mosquitoes find even more offensive.
I like it. We're getting creative with our mosquito fighting strategies.
Right.
Now, if you're looking for solutions beyond DIY concoctions,
Yeah.
professional mosquito traps can be a game changer.
Oh, yeah, those sound serious.
How do they work?
There are actually several types of professional traps, each with its own mechanism for luring and eliminating mosquitoes.
Okay, tell me more about these mosquito fighting machines.
Well, some traps mimic human breath by releasing carbon dioxide, tricking mosquitoes into thinking they've found a tasty target.
So they're essentially creating a decoy,
Yes,
drawing the mosquitoes away from us.
exactly. Other traps use UV light, which mosquitoes are naturally attracted to. Once they get close, they're either zapped with an electric grid or sucked into a container where they dehydrate and die.
Wow, it's like a high-tech mosquito execution chamber.
Right. And then there are traps that release pheromones that mimic those produced by female mosquitoes.
Pheromones, how does that work?
Well, male mosquitoes are drawn to the pheromones thinking they're going to find a mate. But instead, they end up trapped and unable to reproduce.
So it's a more strategic approach targeting the mosquito population at its source.
Exactly.
Right.
By disrupting their breeding cycle, you can significantly reduce the overall number of mosquitoes in your area.
Now, these professional traps sound incredibly effective. But what about those of us who prefer a more natural and DIY approach?
Yeah.
Are there other repellents we can easily make at home?
Absolutely. There are tons of natural ingredients that have mosquito-repelling properties.
Okay, I'm ready to take notes.
Yeah.
What are some other options?
Well, one simple and effective recipe uses witch hazel tea tree oil and baking soda.
Witch hazel, tea tree oil, and baking soda. Those all sound familiar. I bet I have them in my pantry already.
You probably do. They're all common household items, which makes this DIY repellent super convenient. You simply combine them in a spray bottle and you're good to go.
Amazing. So we've got our vinegar solutions, peppermint oil professional traps, and now this fantastic non-toxic spray.
Yeah,
It seems like we have a whole arsenal of weapons to fight those pesky mosquitoes.
that's right. And the best part is many of these options are natural and eco-friendly, so you can protect yourself from mosquitoes without resorting to harsh chemicals.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's all about finding a balance between effectiveness and being mindful of our impact on the environment.
Yes.
Couldn't agree more. And remember, the most effective approach often involves a combination of strategies.
Yeah.
So feel free to experiment and see what works best for you.
Mm-hmm.
Great advice. Now, before we wrap up this deep dive,
Okay.
I want to circle back to the vinegar question.
Uh-huh.
Is there ever a time when vinegar might be a good option for mosquito control?
Well, while it's not the most potent repellent, vinegar can be a helpful tool in a pinch.
Okay.
If you're out of other repellents or just need a quick temporary solution, a vinegar spray or trap might offer some relief.
So it's like the mosquito repellent equivalent of duct tape.
Uh-huh.
Good to have on hand for those unexpected situations.
Precisely. And it's certainly a safer alternative than using harsh chemicals, especially if you have young children or pets around.
Okay, so vinegar has its place.
Right.
But for long-term reliable protection, we're better off exploring those other options we discussed.
Exactly. And if you're dealing with a particularly persistent mosquito problem, consulting a professional pest control service might be the most effective solution.
Sound advice. Now, I love ending our deep dives with a little food for thought.
Okay.
What's a question our listeners can ponder as they continue their mosquito-fighting journeys?
That's a great idea. Here's something to consider. Many commercial mosquito repellents contain harsh chemicals that can be harmful to both humans and the environment.
Okay, that's a valid concern.
Yeah.
Where do we go from here?
Well, what are some innovative and eco-friendly solutions we could develop for the future of mosquito control?
Ooh, that's a great question. Could we perhaps create a sonic device that emits a frequency only mosquitoes hate?
Yeah.
Or maybe genetically engineer mosquito-repelling plants that we can grow in our gardens?
Those are some fascinating possibilities. It's exciting to think about the potential for new and sustainable mosquito control methods.
Absolutely. And who knows, maybe one of our listeners will be the one to invent the next big breakthrough in mosquito repellent technology.
That would be incredible.
Well, on that note of innovation and possibility, let's wrap up this deep dive. Thanks for joining us on this exploration into the world of mosquitoes and the quest for the ultimate repellent.
Yeah.
And remember, while vinegar might offer a temporary truce for lasting protection, explore those potent natural alternatives we discussed, or consider consulting a professional pest control service. Until next time. It's amazing how such a tiny creature like a mosquito
I know.
can cause so much trouble.
It's truly remarkable how they've adapted
Right.
to thrive in so many different environments.
They're like the ultimate survivors,
Yeah.
constantly evolving to
Yeah.
outsmart our attempts to control them.
Right.
And that's why it's crucial to stay informed about the latest research
Uh-huh.
and innovations in mosquito control.
Yeah.
What worked a few years ago might not be as effective today.
Exactly.
It's a constant back and forth between
Yeah.
humans and mosquitoes.
Yeah, it really is.
But on a more serious note,
Okay.
it's important to remember that mosquitoes
Yeah.
are more than just a nuisance. They can transmit serious diseases
Right.
like West Nile virus,
Uh.
Zika virus,
Mm-hmm.
and dengue fever.
Absolutely.
It's easy to get caught up in the annoyance of itchy bites,
Yeah.
but we can't forget the potential health risks
Right.
associated with mosquito bites,
Yeah.
especially in certain parts of the world.
Exactly.
That's why taking steps to protect ourselves
Mhm.
from mosquitoes is crucial for both our comfort and our health.
I agree.
So as we wrap up this deep dive, let's leave our listeners with some key takeaways.
Oh.
What are the most important things to remember when it comes to mosquito control?
Okay, well, first and foremost, prevention is key. Eliminate standing water around your home.
Okay.
Keep your yard tidy and repair any damaged screens on windows and doors.
Those are all simple but effective measures
Right.
that can significantly reduce mosquito breeding grounds.
Exactly. And when it comes to repellents, choose a product that's appropriate for your needs and the level of mosquito activity in your area.
Right. Consider factors like
Yeah.
how long you'll be outdoors,
Mm.
the types of mosquitoes you're likely to encounter, and whether you have any sensitivities to certain ingredients.
Yes. And don't be afraid to experiment with different methods, both natural and commercial, to find what works best for you.
It's all about finding a solution
Right.
that provides reliable protection and fits your lifestyle.
Absolutely. And if you're ever unsure about the best course of action, Don't hesitate to consult a professional pest control service.
Okay.
They can assess your specific situation
Ah,
and recommend the most effective strategies.
great advice.
Uh,
So there you have it, folks. Everything you need to know to wage a successful war against those pesky mosquitoes.
yes.
Remember, knowledge is power.
Mm-hmm.
And with the right tools and strategies, you can reclaim your outdoor spaces and enjoy those warm summer evenings without becoming a mosquito buffet.
Exactly.
And remember, the quest for the perfect mosquito repellent continues.
Yeah.
Stay curious, explore new possibilities, and together we can outsmart these tiny but formidable foes.
That's a wrap for this deep dive. Thanks for joining us, and stay tuned for more fascinating explorations into the world around us.